Welcome to Abhyudaya. I am Gayatri, part-time lecturer, Government Polytechnic for Women, Mangalore. Today I am going to present the sixth session of the topic Statistics, Data Collection and Presentation under the subject Elements of Business Statistics. This subject is described for second semester commercial practice students. Subject code is 20CP22T. Under this session, the table of content is meaning of tabulation, objectives of tabulation and types of tabulation. Let us see the meaning of tabulation. Logically and systematically organizing the statistical data in rows and columns is known as tabulation. It means systematic arrangement of the classified data in rows and columns in the form of table. Objectives of tabulation. First one, to clarify the object of investigation. Second point, to simplify complex data. It reduces the bulk of information. That is, it reduces raw data in a simplified and meaningful form so that it can be easily interpreted by common man in less time. Third one, to reveal trend and tendencies of the data. Fourth point, to economize space. A statistical table furnished maximum information relating to the study in minimum space. Next point, to clarify characteristics of data. Sixth one, to facilitate comparison. When different data sets are presented in tables, it becomes possible to compare them. Seventh point, to facilitate statistical analysis. Tables serve as the best source of organized data for statistical analysis. The task of computing correlation, average, dispersion, etc. becomes easier if data is presented in the form of table. Next point, to delete errors and omissions in the data. Last point, to provide reference. A statistical table can be used as a source of reference for the study of similar nature. Types of tabulation. Tabulation can be classified into two types. First one is simple tabulation and second one is complex tabulation. In a simple table, only one characteristic is shown. Hence, this type of table is known as one-way tabulation. This is the one-way tabulation. Complex tabulation. In a complex table, two or more characteristics are shown. It is divided into three types. First one, two-way tables and three-way tables and one more, manifold tables. When two characteristics are shown in a table, such table is known as two-way table or double tabulation. When three characteristics are shown in a table is known as three-way table. This is the example for three-way table. When four or more characteristics are shown in a table, it is called as manifold table. And this is the example for manifold table. It comes under complex tabulation. Multiple choice questions. First one, logically and systematically organizing the statistical data in rows and columns is known as dash. Option A, twofold classification. Option B, manifold classification. Option C, quantitative classification. Option D, tabulation. The correct answer is answer D, tabulation. Thank you.